Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about probate being easy. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, probate is easy, dot, dot, dot. Today, I was talking with a client. We were reviewing her estate plan. She has an LLC, and we were talking about whether or not to put the LLC into her trust. And she was hesitant to do so for only one reason. She had talked to her sister, and her sister had told her that probate in Washington state is no big deal, so you just shouldn't worry about it. And I think that that is a common sentiment. It is something that is kind of going around, and I really wanted to talk about it to just give you some perspective about what the different options are when it comes to probate and avoiding probate. First of all, this person has a trust. Though one of the main benefits of having a trust is that you can avoid probate. If you have a trust, why wouldn't you utilize that trust to help you avoid probate? Is probate in Washington state easy? It's easier than other states. It's certainly much easier than California, easier than Oregon. I'm not sure about any of the other states out there, but it's easier than those states. But it's still going to run you $5,000 plus. It's still going to take you 7, 8, 9 months to complete. It's still a huge pain in the butt. The court is still involved. You still have to jump through a bunch of hoops, and you could literally just avoid all of that by being a little proactive up front, by putting your assets into your trust if you create a trust. If you decide not to create a trust, then utilizing the different tools and resources out there that are available to you to avoid probate, like beneficiary designations, transfer on death designations, both for real estate and for like banking, checking and savings accounts, joint tenancy deeds, although I would not recommend those super highly, but they're out there. They're a possibility. All of these different things you can utilize to avoid probate. And just because probate is easier here than it is someplace else does not make it actually easy overall. Like I said, there's still a process involved. You open the door for potential creditors, for potential grumpy heirs, for a judge that wants to meddle. There are all of these things that can come into play when you have a probate that you can just avoid if you are a little proactive. In this particular case, the person was already creating a trust. The work was already done. You might as well put your assets into the trust and let the trust do its job. There was one other tiny piece of knowledge, I guess, I would like to drop in this particular instance, and that is this. If you are talking to someone and they are not a lawyer, and they are telling what you should do when it comes to your legal action, when it comes to your legal strategy, whether it be estate planning or tax or real estate or business or whatever, I would give that person the respect that they deserve based on their experience in the area. You don't have to be an attorney to have a wide range of legal experience. If you've done a bunch of business transactions, for example, you might know what's going on when it comes to business. If you've done a bunch of real estate transactions, you might know what's going on when it comes to real estate. If you've been through many probates, you might know how easy or hard a probate is. But if those people don't have the requisite experience, I would encourage you to talk to someone that does. I don't give advice about cars. I don't give advice about financial matters most of the time, because that's not my area of expertise. This is. So rely on people that know what they're doing to give you good information and help you make the best choice possible. Probate is not easy. It is easier. So take that into account when you are doing your estate planning. If you're going through probate right now and you need someone to help you make it easier, we're happy to do that. But our goal is to eliminate that from any possibility. All right, that's it. As always, if you like this, hit the like button or subscribe. If you have questions or comments, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.